Yan, kapantay mo sila. Okay, stop. Wait. Andre here. Face here. Yo, abante ka dun. Okay. So, again, yung gagawin nila, huwag gagawin sa bahay. Okay? Lalo na yung mga kicking parts. It takes years to practice the kicks. Okay? Sige, charet. They'll perform Taigong 5. Charet. Yun na. Should be. Si작. Sabay, go. Ma'am Iya, kapilala nila si Ma'am Iya. We'll have here Ma'am Isha, okay, second dan black belt, palarong pambansa participant, class 2023. And here, Ma'am Ovi, first dan black belt, Batang Pinoy participant for 1 year, 2023, ayun. Then, Ma'am Shemri, first dan black belt, Batang Pinoy participant 2023, and Kuya Andre. Okay? He's only he's only a blue belter. So yung pinerform niya pang black pang red belt yun. So ayun. He's only a blue belter and part of the PTC groups. Okay, charet. Charet yun eh. Thank you.